Welcome guys to this short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram failed to send in less than 1 minute. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll. Okay, let's wait. Now scroll until you find Instagram, click on it. Now this is the app informations page. Click here on this option, it's called force stop. And now go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Now you have to go back again and this time click on data usage and make sure to enable all these options from the mobile data into the roaming data. Now go back to the settings, open the wireless and networks. This is the first option. Go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it back. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to check the network that you are connected to. Don't forget to like, subscribe.